roosted, roosted.
Come on, big fella, you drunk, big fella. 2 sips and now you want to trip, big fella. You not a drinker. I can see it all in your leg, big fella. You wobbly, big fella. You finna fall. Sit down, you drunk, big fella.
All night I've been drinking, 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 all night I've been drinking,
Everybody outside when I pull up outside all night though. Everybody high five, everybody wanna smile, everybody wanna lie, that's nice, no. Oh, now you wanna chill, oh, now you wanna build, oh, now you got the bill, that's cool though. Oh, now you got the gas, oh, now you wanna laugh, oh, now you need a cab, that's true though.
All you do is talk, I ain't got shit to say. Can't no one get in my car, I don't even valet.
Long discussions, oh, you my cousin? No, you wasn't, you just wanna ride. You just wanna talk about politics, Chicago shit, and rocket shit. Start dancing, ho.
all night I've been drinking, 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 all night I've been drinking,
You just wanna spill fries on the seat, Sprite on the seat, come ride on the seat. Last girl, she a lie on the seat, she a fart on the seat, now she jogging the streets. I don't trust no one, faking like a fan, asking for a pic. You should use your phone, call a Uber, you a goofy if you think I don't know you need a lift. Is you is or is you ain't got gas money? No IOUs or debit cards, I need cash money. So back up, I need space now. I need you to slow down, it's not a race now. I can't really hear what you gotta say now. Shut up. Start dancing, ho.
are going to get copyrighted, but we are doing this for you guys. So we aren't stopping. No one's going to stop us. We're going to do what we want, how we want, and we will deal with those consequences later. We don't cut corners for you guys. Only the best, guys. Only the best.
Have you considered Discovery Health Medical's?
So play 1 or 2 more tunes, get the energy up, and then we'll get into the markets, guys. Then we will definitely be getting into the markets. That's hopefully we can execute some trades together, guys. 100%. We are going to get some trades together, guys. Markets have come out, proves exactly what we want. So trust me, we are going to get some trades today. Unfortunately, I think some of you didn't see it. If you looked at the zones we marked out yesterday on gold, we were able to catch a beautiful trade on gold yesterday. But it's all good. We will catch another one today, guys. Markets already lining up beautifully for us. So it's going to be a goodie. Love the edge here this morning, Keys. Ready to own the day. You know it. We are going to kill today. Ready up for these pips and profits, guys. All the pips and profits.
Extreme like DMXing. These boys pussy and they PMSing. People in the city see the movement occurring and say, my God, I wanna be in that scene. Damn right you wanna be in this scene. She had the video trying to be in this scene. Used to fantasize about being this scene. Bluegrass girl, but she got big dreams. Can't touch me, I got instincts. Locked in the house, but I'm plotting things. I brought a gang to the party with me. 5 white boys, but they not in sync. Fuck what y'all think. Fuck everything that you say about me. My dogs like to play Madden in 2K, but one thing they don't do is play about me. My homeboy Tyler, he playing South Beach. He told me this summer he gon' fix my jumper. I told Boy Wonder that we might got a thumper. I've been trying to pop, now I'm on like Shumpert. Now they on my bumper. Green room chock full of all my comforts. Hotel room like heaven on earth. Got angels in my bed with some all white covers. Ace Pro Nemo, Lucian Kiso, Sloop Clay Tufo, and I got a few more I call my brothers. I got a lot of flows and they all like butter. Ooh, you know what that means. I came home nice, but I'm going back mean. I'm about to glow.
Alright, guys, I'm just going to mark out some things on the charts there quickly for us, and then we are going to get into it. Alright, don't you worry. We're just marking out some nice zones there for us, and then we'll get into it and start breaking down the analysis for you, alright? So let's just get hyped, guys. Let's get ready for this one today. But trust me, today is going to be a goodie, guys. It's going to be a goodie.
I tried it back then, it was hell nah, boy. Now I'm in a box like a Kellogg's toy. The ones that hate me the most look just like me. You tell me what that means. Make a slick comment and see what that brings. I seen it go down, we can reenact things. Extreme like DMXing. These boys pussy and they PMSing. People in the city see the movement occurring and say, my God, I wanna be in that scene. Damn right you wanna be in this scene. She had the video trying to be in this scene. Used to fantasize about being this scene. Bluegrass girl, but she got big dreams. Can't touch me, I got instincts. Locked in the house, but I'm plotting things. I brought a gang to the party with me. 5 white boys, but they not in sync. No, they not in sync. No, they not in sync. Word to JT, no, they not in sync. Word to JT, no, they not in sync. No, they not in sync. No, they not in sync. Like I've been smooth for so long, I'm trying to get rough. Fuck buffing my nails, dog, I'm trying to get buff. Fuck shaping my beard up, I'm liking the scruff. And fuck the hills, cause I'm living my life in the cut. Can't imagine that I'm gonna meet my wife in the club. We gon' see though, I feel like she more of a CEO. Or maybe she doing volunteer work in Rio. It's not like I need her, but I would love to meet her. Another day, another dollar, another phone with another feature. I don't play goalie, but I'm my brother's keeper. Surrounded by family, I'm not with other people.
Yo, guys, I think we have to play one more song. Oh, we have to play it. We have to. We have to, guys. After this, we can You going for TPs in the gym. What is that song that gets you guys hyped up? What is it, guys? Let me know in the comments. We're going to put some little playlist on in the background, and we're going to get into the charts now. All right, guys. So we're just going to put a quick playlist on in the back, and then we are going to get into it. All right. But let's get a nice little playlist there for us, guys. Alright. Okay, we got a little playlist going, yeah? Some little naughty music there in the background. GJ longs at Asia lows. We're going to break everything down now, guys. It's going to be a pretty quick analysis today. It's very, very simple we're looking for, so we will get into that now, and I'll give you a proper answer on GJ, okay? Hotel lobby, what a banger. Baller also. Something real. Freestyle little baby. Oh, Rick Ross hustling. Change by Netflix. Oh, some bangers here, guys. Oh my soul, you wouldn't believe Unicorn Zombie Apocalypse. Warsaw Jack Harlow. Jack Harlow's a G. That man's just been leveling up after level. Senior owners react for the mental help from the best in your stream. 100%. We're bringing that New York energy to the opening bell today, guys. Very techie, but love it. Shake that. Oh, will always be an OG one. We're getting money, guys. We're gonna be getting money today. Don't you worry. I'm a psycho because I like classical music. It gets me a bad rep in the movie. Anyways, can't tell me nothing. Awesome, guys. Alright, let's get into the market here, guys. Okay, so DXY turning bearish. We are 100% bearish on the day, guys. So if you look at we had CPI coming out negative all around the board. Then yesterday we had PPI coming out negative for the dollar. We had the other, I can't think what the other one was, but that came out positive. But that was just that short-term bullishness over here, which again, after these massive ones, we always tell you there's a pullback. So that's why we had this key level marked out here, guys. As you can see, we had price action. So this is the area we've had rejection from. We had the break with a retest over here. You can see this nice little key area, how important it is. So basically for me, it's a nice area that we can see the dollar retest into, pulling back up to. And as you guys can see, literally testing it on the money and starting to turn around. So we are bearish on the dollar for the day. All right, guys. I have moved all of my Asia sessions already in preparation for today. And again, as I always say to you guys, keep note of this. Remember, we always trade, we're trading there. This is when we're taking that switch over. So you won't have that touch because markets are starting to change. I just want to drop the sound here a little bit. I don't know why. I think this place is like very loud. Alright, but let's go over to this, guys. So if you see here, just want to move the mouse pad a bit. We are now trading underneath. Not mean that it's bullish, but what does it mean? I always say to you guys, we've traded momentum one way the whole day. We've gone literally wicked that key area. Now we're retesting Asia highs. Sorry guys. Retest Asia highs and we're coming down. Asia lows remain untested with the pivot and the EQ. So dollar can have that massive drop off again today. A retest and continue that drop off. Alright. So we are definitely bearish on the day, guys. So we're going to keep that in mind for all the pairs. So going to gold. What does that mean for gold, guys? We are bullish. So right, we're going to break this down here for you guys as well. Gold closing on this level, guys, on that key level for us at 1963. But you can see where we're starting to hold support now. So we retested that area again. We've shot right back up. We're going to be going for this 4-hour rejection. Okay, once you break the 4-hour rejection, easy target. We will break back above, look for support on it this time, and trade right up to that key level. So definitely think today we can be getting a candle, something like these, a very, very nice big one. So definitely today can be that day for us. All right, so we might even get the pullback, but we'll see how that plays out. So on the 4 hour, guys, you can see how we're having this structure starting to form now, where we are bullish, higher higher low, higher higher low, and now we'll make our higher high, and that's what we said we were going to aim for, that key level, right? So there's just you can see the structure starting to form. So when we start going over to the 15, we'll look over here, guys. So this was basically that support area I took the trade off yesterday. You guys can see what happened here. This was basically off a real support area. We had the EQ come in. We had the massive drop off. Obviously, when this comes, there has to be some type of pullback. We pulled back all the way to the EQ, tested the EQ. Then I go to the 5 minute just so you guys can see how we entered this trade. Basically, we came down, so we broke through, we tested the EQ, we rejected once. This one gave me my first bullish candle, showing me the buyers are coming into the market. I waited for the test of this candle. Okay, once we came back down, I entered off the entry point there. So if you guys go and look, you'll see that's literally where my entry point was. You guys can go check it out if you think I'm lying, but there was the entry, and we took this trade up to there, yeah, up to the key level. So that was our trade for yesterday, guys, and there we go. Yeah, it is to our trade. So that's what we caught yesterday. Unfortunately, like I said, some of you guys had the zone marked out and you got the trade with me. Other people unfortunately missed out on it, but we will get it again, guys, don't you worry. Market tested it again this morning to go take Asia lows, make the low of the day, trading right back up to get above Asia highs, take the daily pivot, and we're at the EQ now. So what would I love to see, guys? Two things. As I said, either we get in above 4 hour rejection and continue there. So that is our first area we're going to be looking at, is that 4 hour rejection mark. Otherwise, we pull back to this key level and possibly Asia highs, look for support and trade up. All right, so that's going to be our second area of interest. So very nice. We bet literally in the middle now, so definitely should be getting some price action off one of those in market open. Let's go over to UJ. We actually closed, I think, bullish yesterday, if I'm correct. Yeah, closing massively bullish off this daily key level. So what would happen here, guys? We had another massive bearish engulfing coming in from the basically news and tweets from the BOJ. But again, yen is probably the most shorted pair currently, so they are very weak actually. So that's where this came back in. We're looking at these 3 equal highs now. So once again, if we get to these highs here, we definitely can see some price action come in. But what I would like to see is probably a little bit of a pullback, guys. Even something of the weekly pivot or this key area over here. So we can call it our 4 hour high once we had this breakaway and almost our break of structure, as we can see there. So we'll keep an eye on this area over here. So let's mark that one out. Okay. So we go to the 15. We'll see where that zone is for us, right here above our Asia low. So literally perfect, guys. Again, we've seen it day after day. UJ loves to do it, going for the daily pivot and the EQ, and that is purely because of BOJ with their interventions. So we definitely are going to wait on the Asia lows. Otherwise, we're going to wait for this pivot to be taken. Trust me, they love to do it. They always do it. That little spike out to the bottom, fake out, get back above, and continue up. So at this point in time, we are going to look for the buys on UJ. Even though dollar is weaker, the yen is still a much weaker currency pair, and that's why we'll still be bullish on this. So we're going to keep an eye on Asia lows on UJ. Going over to EU, guys. Let's see what we got here. So if I'm correct, I'm still bullish on the pair. Yeah, there we go. Obviously, CPI having that massive news. Same thing as I said to you guys with the dollar having that slight pullback. That's where this is coming in. So again, this being a pullback, we are starting to hold this area. Yeah. So once we can get above the lows of the previous day, so we can mark that out as well. We'll keep that in mind. That's when the candle will obviously start flipping bullish. So we can see where that area is. Then we've got our rejection area. Yeah. So we know once we can break above there, that is our area to watch out for. So we're going to go, yeah, 4H rejection, not coordinates, man. 4H rejection. Where the hell did this thing go? Okay, let's just redraw that one. That one got a little bit confused there. So we go there. Okay, yeah, there. 4H reg. All right. So we know what we're looking for there, guys. So on the 15, when we come through, exactly, we can look there perfectly. It's on the EQ. What are we going to look for? We know this is our point that the candle starts flipping bullish. So originally, once we are back above here, we can start looking for some type of support to even get to Asia highs. Once we're at Asia highs, we know we want to see maybe a bit of price action to push us back down to Asia highs to get that retest. And then we can go along from there. So we're going to look for something like this on the day. All right, guys. So I'm not going to mark that one out. I'll maybe mark it a little bit past the area so we know the candle is actually moving up to Asia highs. On EJ, very, very similar. I know we are bullish already. There we go. Massive bullish candle. I just don't like that there's this little weeny teeny little top wick there on the top. I don't really like that. But we're going to see what we can do with that. So on the 4 hour, we can see where we are marking out these zones. Seems to have still been tested. This was yesterday, 4 o'clock. So we had the break, nice above, and there it went. But let's keep looking and see where we can find that support on the higher time frames. So this, guys, with EJ, for example, we are basically really going off structure, because at this point in time, we're trading into nothing. We are trading into no man's land. So we basically just want to secure 1-to-1 so we can get them. But we need to be looking off structure for pullbacks to continue going long. Me personally, that is the safest way to trade these type of pairs, where you don't know where this goes. This could literally just go up till there and come down. This thing could shoot up to there, come down. You just don't know. So for me, I think I'd wait on Asia lows again, if I'm being honest. Otherwise, we do have that round number of 164,200 literally at the Asia highs. So we definitely can look at something there. The only thing I don't like is that it's so close to the R3. But again, we'll just keep an eye on both of those. The daily pivots. Let's just see where our daily pivot is on the day. Basically at Asia lows. So yeah, I'm going to take that one away then. That's just confirmed for me. I want that pullback. Same as what's going to happen with UJ and all those. Probably GJ is going to be very, very similar. But we want that pullback to the daily pivot. And that will probably even line up then to go test these highs and continue up. Because again, what I always say, that will take out Asia lows, test the pivot. We test this area, setting the low of the day. Catching all those sellers now to go back above, re-enter on Asia lows and ride it all the way up. So that's what we're going to watch for there, guys. GU obviously going a little bit bearish now. We are now back at that weekly key level, so this is actually lining up perfectly for us. First thing I can see there, we've got an equal high. I always say an equal high, and that means it's a target, a magnet for price to turn back to, and we have this key level. So originally right now, I'm thinking straight off the bat we can get a nice trade here today, guys. We can see how the candles are starting to slow down a little bit, losing momentum. On the 1 hour, we can even see this. The bulls come in a little bit more and more every single time. This time, if this doesn't break again and it holds above this key level, we 100% are going to look for entry over here, guys. So yeah, let's just see on the day. Pivot EQ way above us. So I really hope we can get some type of thing that doesn't run away from us now in market open, because I definitely think GU, guys, we can get a nice trade on today if we hold this area. When we go over to the daily, I just want to go here. If we go to the candle, I always like measuring from the candle that caused the breakaway, so we can even just actually take it from the low to there. We are at the 38, but for me, the candle that caused the breakaway, you there, then you're at the 50. All right, so both of them actually lining up pretty nicely for me. So either way, those are giving us those little confirmations. And again, we are bearish on the dollar, so GU can start coming back. I actually think there's also pound news, so we'll have a look at the news in a second. But I definitely think we want to keep a look here on this trade. I think we might get something nice here, guys. All right, if we look on the 5 minute, yeah, this, I think we can get something juicy here today, guys. GJ, let's have a look at GJ. Very, very similar. Pivot EQ above us. Set from the Asia highs, we traded straight down. So already we want that retracement. Same thing, we want to aim for that key level. Again, I think GJ also can be a very, very nice trade for us. Trying to break below, making a nice equal high for us already. Coming back down, if we hold this area on the R3, we can actually use the R3 as support. So again, we'll see what market does down the open. maybe we get a little bit more of a push down again to come back up and take something off the S1 for the day, and we can trade back up to the pivot and then to the R1, which is basically our daily key level. So again, we will just mark this out. We'll see if we can get something here on market open. Nas, so I hope that answers your question about GJ earlier. We are bullish on the day. All right, so Nas, I am still bullish, guys. I think we're just going to have this little bit of a pullback here to this 4-hour rejection maybe to continue upwards. All right. Okay, let's just see. So we have that equal high again, really showed us something nice there. So we definitely have a nice target for price to range back to. We're also now making an equal low, which can be our support area. So we can do this. If anything, we can mark that out as our area we want to be looking at. All right, so even if we don't go, I know it looks like there's a lot of lines there now, guys, but just stay with me. We have that 4 rejection. So if we don't even get to that, we've got the 200 EMA coming up. Asia lows being tested once and gone all the way back up. So I wouldn't be surprised with Nas to have maybe even a bit of a pullback to this area again, hold their support as Asia lows have been tested, don't need to be again, to trade right back up to the daily highs and then go for the pivot and EQ, which are right above it. So definitely bullish on Nas. Markets open, guys. We obviously have the 15-minute shuffle, so we won't be trading anything as of yet, but we are on the last pair now. So US30, we are still bullish as well. Definitely can't trade. We want in sells. We obviously did still close in line with these highs yesterday, so definitely can maybe see a little bit of a pullback for now. No top wick on the day, so let's just see how that runs. But we definitely can come back to test Asia lows that remain untested. We have got the daily pivot and the EQ, but we can come back for Asia lows which remain untested, even possibly the S1 making the low of the day. Again, as always, to fake out and come back up, possibly even to the R1 to make a new daily high. So that's the machine gun analysis, guys. That's it from me. Jeff, anything you're looking at, bro?
I'm still busy with my analysis right now at the moment, but I am potentially looking at sales on Euro USD. Just need to look at that. I remember I was looking at that zone yesterday, but price didn't get there. But I
You
will
wanting to sell Euro USD?
I had a zone there yesterday. Let me just quickly go to that. Remember yesterday we had, I think we had news. Yeah, we had news.
Yeah, we had PPI yesterday.
Price left that little wick on that shift candle, and then so when price taps into that, so I see that as a supply zone. So when price taps into that zone, I might look to go short there, and also lines up with 1.08750. It's a very risky trade, but it falls in line kind of with DXY. I'm kind of bullish on it, so I want to see stop hunt low rise on that. So if that correlates with Euro USD, that will mean stop hunt high drop.
Yeah, nah, perfect, brother. But yo, when you got some other setups, let me know. We can check them out.
We'll definitely.
But right, guys,
so.
that is everything. So let's see. We have our alerts in place. Let's chill out now. Wait for that 50-minute shuffle, and let's see what we can catch today, guys. We're gonna come back over to the chat for a little second. Obviously, let's see what we have here. Jim song, Fall It in Reverse, Watch the Word Burn. That's actually a good song, bro. Really is a good song. Grown Man Sport. Thanks, bro. We're going to catch bangers today. 100%. What's up, guys? Keegan Willis. Boys, what's happening? What's up, my brother? Man's putting in the late shift here, but he's doing the work. Can't turn a man down on that. Much respect, brother. Keep it up. Your man's doing well. Maybe we'll even have the boy on here sometime as well, but definitely keep it up. But yeah, bro, I mean, yeah, we were chatting this morning. Maybe when Keegan's back from America, we can meet up and maybe have the man do something with him here in office. You know, the man has a good idea already and is doing things right when his name's Keegan. Now hit them likes for the algorithm. You guys know it. Don't you worry, guys. You know we're going to be leveling up. The big guys, the big boys are back in town tomorrow. Chris and Mo Money, they are leaving Cape Town today, so they will literally be on their way back, and they will be in office on stream with us again tomorrow. So definitely, we're going to have the energy, we're going to have the vibes back, we're going to have the whole team back in full force. So don't miss it. And guys, if you haven't been there yet, if I can let you guys know anything, I think tomorrow's podcast is going to be a good one. So I think you guys don't want to miss that one. Keegs, what is your gym split? I've got quads, chest and tricep, back and bars. Then I've got a rest. Then I've got shoulders and triceps. Okay, bro. Let me actually just tell you, because I'm trying to think of this off my head now, and I'm gonna make a mistake. Yeah. Like, if my coach is watching this, he's gonna be like, "Bro, what shit are you talking?" Monday quads, Tuesday chest and tries. Then I've got Wednesday off. Thursday back and bars. Friday shoulders and triceps. Saturday glutes and hamstrings, and then Sunday I'm off. Yeah, that's my split. But we change it up. I think we're actually gonna be changing it up soon as well. So, but yeah, we keep changing it. We basically do, I think, the same split for about, I'd say maybe, maybe 2-3 months. Then we only change it up really. One of my friends challenged me to a 35 rand challenge today for Nasdaq. See which one of us could make the most with 35 rand. That'll actually be fun, bro. I mean, you catch a good trade. I mean, I don't know if you over leverage it or not, but yeah, you could turn that into something decent. I mean, I don't know if we shared it on stream. I went into like one of my old accounts about 2 weeks ago. I was still talking with the guys in office. We went for lunch, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to trade this guy for fun. It was like 50 rand, like, was still in my account. So obviously when I withdrew, I just like always withdraw like a round number. And it was like 50 rand still in the account. And literally by the end of the day, that 50 rand, I turned into like 500 and... No, just in like 700, I think it was. I actually still made a post on my story that day. And I was like, yeah, we can even flip small accounts for people that say we can't do that. So... yeah, we made a post about that. That was actually pretty fun. But yeah, if you catch something solid, you can really turn that small money. And the thing is, it's nice because no one's scared. Like, you'll back your setup, you'll go for it because, wow, like, it's 30 bucks. If I lose 30 bucks, that's 30 bucks. I mean, that's like a coffee. So, like, you're not scared to actually just back yourself when you trade in those small amounts. Keegs, couple that diet plan, bro. Good luck, full tilt, bro. Monday quad, say no to flamingo legs. Great split. No, appreciate it. No, guys. So I'm a big thing on, like, you gotta have big legs. Like, I even had a stage with my coach where I was like, bro, give me like a bikini girl workout. Like, I want to be doing legs like 3 days, like 3 times a week, if anything. Like, I want to just have massive legs. Like I always say to guys, when you start gymming, it's all about having abs and big biceps. And then you realize it's not even about that. Like, the true gym guys will tell you it's about calves, some legs, and even like having a good like glute, like having a good bum. I know that sounds a bit weird coming from a guy, but I promise you guys, have a good bum. It's a life changer. Morning, are you in any trades? Can you quickly run through gold? Just go back for the gold analysis. We are basically wanting a little bit of a pullback. We either want that and we're going to wait for a break and retest, or we're going to go down and wait for a retest of support and trade up. So that's what we're looking. But go back to early in the stream, you can see a full explanation on gold. Guys, I see we have an alert on GU. Obviously, the 50-minute shuffle isn't done yet, but let's just go see what GU is doing. So GU is starting to hold the support there. That is what we want to see, guys. That's what we want to see. If this candle closes, guys, I'm in on this trade, alright? This candle closes like that, I am in on this trade. Like, I'm not even joking, guys. I'm actually gonna get my account ready.
Are you looking to buy GU?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy GU.
From my side, guys, I'm actually looking to sell UJ right now at 151,390. We are at the weekly open, above the Asian highs, at the supply zone. Risky position, 10 pip stop, 43 pip TP.
I'll back it, bro. I'll back it. I'll back it. Sells on UJ. Yeah, Jeff wants to do sells on UJ. I'm going to be buying GU, but it depends how we close here after the 50-minute shuffle. If I can hit a 500, I'll be happy. Going to be all or nothing. If I hit 500, going to go full into another trade. There we go. I want to destroy him. A good button helps for all the sitting trading, of course, 100%. And a thick back is fairly difficult to have a good massive back. Yeah, for me, like, I've got, like, not tooting my own horn, but I think, like, I've got a good wide, like, a width in my back with my lats and, like, broad shoulders, stuff like that. And I've got quite a bit of thickness on my upper back, but I want to start building the thickness on my lower back, like really get that juiciness in the center of my back at the bottom and in my lower lats. Yes, man, more bum workouts, small legs and big upper body looks weird. 100% it does. We ain't about those little chicken legs. That bearish closure almost got me hard. Yeah, no, guys, we gotta wait for this one, yeah. Going to get Mark to join as well so he can watch what's going on. What percent are you going to look to risk? I'll probably go 1% on this trade. After having 2 good days, I'll probably go 1% for this trade. Like, I really like this setup. So I like this setup in the sense, and it's going off a key level. We're holding support. Dollar is getting weaker. And also, so entry criteria, if I'm correct, I actually think this is a very... Not as in that it's on a round number, it's not off a pivot. I mean, technically it's off a support, so I don't know if that counts as a pivot. But this is an entry drill that Chris uses. If Chris is in the chat, he can confirm that for me. But if this closed bullish here, then this was an entry drill of Chris. But again, that's what we're just waiting for confirmation, guys. Is US30 shorts? Go back to the analysis early in the morning and you can go check our analysis in US30. Could you kindly explain the UJ trade? Jev's just gone out quickly, like on a phone. So when he gets back, it's his UJ trade. So I'll let him explain that for you. Jev, which session works best for you guys? Okay, yeah, Keeks, officer, he's gonna have to answer that for you guys when he is back. Oh, good. You got 2 questions, bro.
Okay.
Asking about the UJ trade and then a trade about sessions for USD Swiss.
Okay, let me see. Keegan, Jeff, which session do you workspace for USD Shift? Oh, I just replied to you on IG, but for everyone else, I've been taking the USD Swiss franc setups in New York session. The past few days we've been taking them. And then, could you kindly explain the UJ trade? So on UJ, we're trading at the weekly open. Yesterday we left this little supply zone at more or less, let me just double check what the number is correctly, at 151,372. Now mind you, this is 8 cap, their service, so the pricing might be different on your broker, and it rejected perfectly at the weekly open. So currently this could be like a double top formation that could be formed over here, which will obviously form that liquidity, meaning they've swept the Asian highs. So we could see price basically reject from here, taking out the Asian lows, then go bounce off the pivot, and then only continue back towards the upside for that bullish momentum. Then obviously we will have this double top here on top as liquidity, and then head towards the R1. That's just my view on it. And then for entry criteria on the 1 minute, price tapped into the zone. We had that change of character that took place, and also left a fair value gap. So currently we're at the weekly open, just waiting for the 5 minute to actually close bearish. That last 5 minute candle didn't really give me a perfect close that I want. So this next candle, if we can see it close bearish, exactly between or above 151,380, then we can go for it. I hope that makes sense.
Oscar Allen Alkin, sorry if I butchered your name there, bro. His screen, we just been having problems with the screen share, so I'm just showing you on my screen. But yeah, like he's saying, he's just with that confirmation was there, you just had to look on what it was on my screen. Yeah. It's all good, man. Answered already. There we go. I'm trying to think what this music's reminding me of right now. Nope, I can't think of it. But we are changing it up.
Important news.
Important news. I don't care, woman. Mo Money's gonna hate me today, but we are playing the tunes, guys. Probably Candy Crush. No confirmation yet on GU. No, nothing on GU yet, guys. Sounds like one of those real rush games on Lotto Star. Something like that. Keegs, you like Deep House? Bro. Deep House is my vibe. That music speaks to my soul, bro. I feel it. That's where I just get. Oof. Then I'm ready to skit, bro. Then I'm ready. As my brother would say, it's time for a little razzle dazzle. The tunes are going this morning. Hey. PS and banger DJs. Yo, we actually really do, especially deep house. So like I'm in my element here. Play some Dawson. Oh, bro. Whew. Shout out Calso. Yeah, Calso is actually crazy, bro. Like I still remember, so I still DJ'd for a while actually when I was like in school, and I still DJ'd an event where he opened for me. I need a good deep house playlist. Boy, deep house for the Owens. Deep house is live. Keys, when you come to Cape Town, I'll take you to the Wee House Sunday. Oh, that sounds sick, bro. I haven't been to that before. But we're gonna make some vibes, guys. We're gonna make some missions. I don't know if our boy Hamish is in the chat, but we definitely want to come up to Cape Town. He's like already like, bro, you come here, you come crash in my posse. We're gonna go enjoy Cape Town. Obviously meet up with G as well, the man. Just have some vibes, enjoy some time there. So maybe early like Jan, somewhere like that. I'll do a little trip up there. Who knows? Maybe we drag Chris around. Have Chris come enjoy some deep house Sundays with us. Chris will love the vibes. Bro, I secretly think Chris is like a little party animal. I think Chris secretly is a little party animal. He's gotta sort of let loose, and then he's that guy where you like, yo, bro, like, yeah, you really chill out a bit, yeah.
Okay, let's see what's happening here.
Yeah, all of this music's actually meant to be okay, not the stuff this morning we opened with, but like this stuff now is meant to be non-copyrighted. But we will see about that, because we've played so many playlists that are always like, oh, no copyright, and we always get clapped. Bro, if you South African, I think anyone has a few brothers and you ready to gooi. The karate water. I'd love to see Chris's dance moves. Mark is on his way with the 35 Rand challenge, closing time midnight tonight. Yeah, bro, you must definitely let us know the results of this. What happens if copyright? It just means whatever money we would have made from the stream, we don't make it. So we get like we have to change certain things to then get the fees from that stream. Otherwise, if it hits copyright bans, yeah, we don't basically just get paid for the stream. Which broker do you use for US30 on TradingView? I'm using Oanda. I use Oanda for like everything. Stream won't be monetized, I think. Yo, Chad. P1. Yeah, I haven't seen you in a while, my brother. Well, I think, what, last 2-3 days? If I'm correct. EU broke above 4-hour ejection. Hey, there we go, guys. We are testing it. So EU's coming on. I just want to see, so DXY is starting to drop. So that there's that GU trade, guys. There's GU.
Okay, guys, I'm taking my short here on UJ as well. Based on that 3-minute close, a strong rejection with that wick. I'm gonna take it.
All right. So Jev, you in shorts on UJ?
In shorts, yes.
Where was your entry?
151,400.
151,400.
Yes.
And your stop?
It's 10 pips, so 151,500. TP is 150,940.
150,940.
That's correct. Oh, there she goes.
All right, so here's Jev's trade, guys. We are going to enter GU as well. On my side, we are just hoping this candle doesn't run away from us. It must just close like this, and we are in on GU, guys. And we are in on GU. Hey Keeks, please explain the Asia lows and high lines on the charts. So you just basically take your take a line, and during Asia session which is basically from 1 well now 2 to 6, you just draw the lowest point of a candle closure on the 5 minute. So on the 5 minute, you will just take where the lowest point was between 2 and 6. So 2 and 6, that's our lowest point of a candle closure, and that was our highest point. You can see there. So you just mark them out like that. Gold entry, bro. You could enter it with the EQ if you want to, but not a setup for me. I'm rather going to take GU. Oh, come on, GU. Close. Get up there. Get up there. Give it to us. Will it not be 2 to 7? It could be 2 to 7. It could be. It could be 2 to 7. Can you pass my challenge? I probably could, but It's not for me to pass, it's for you to pass. You can take the trades with me, and if you pass it, I'm very, very proud of you. But I'm not passing your challenge for you. I always promote to people, when you want to get into trading, you should always be in control of your money, not anyone else. If you have to give your money or someone else access to your money, it is most likely a scam. Entry for US30, go back and look in the beginning of the stream for the analysis on entries. Bro, I'm shitting my pants. Why? Please help me. Bro, why? Well, firstly, if that's how like bad you panicking, why are you even doing a challenge? Six. And I'm gonna enter, guys. Why is it going everywhere else? 6.66. Hey, well, we're gonna get a better entry now anyway, so I will take it. We'll see where my entry was now. My entry was 23820. 23820. With a 15 pip stop. We are just aiming for a 1-to-1, guys. Alright, but I'm going to be back with you guys now. Hold on, wait, what? Yesterday I bought FTMO challenge and passed it in 1 day. That is insane, bro. Flipping stoked for you, my man. It's someone's money and bought a challenge. Why did you take someone else's money then, bro? I hold it Nas bounce from just above Asia highs. Move starts to break. Ain't gonna hold all day, bro. I'll back it. I'll back it. As long as you break even, you've got nothing to lose. But guys, I need to go pee. I'll be back now.
JJ Davis, stop loss on USD yen is 10 pips. Only 10 pips. But other than that, guys, how's your weeks been so far? It is what? It's Thursday today, ne? Thursday, yeah. How's your weeks been? Osama, bro, my heart is pumping, man. Why is your heart pumping, bro? Why is your heart pumping? What's wrong? Keenan, yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. How are you doing? At Minty, I'm good, man. Can't complain. In Afrikaans, we say at party means klaar nie. Doesn't matter if you complain. It's not gonna fix anything. Always have a positive always have a positive attitude, positive outlook towards life. Jakes, let's talk some conspiracies. There's a lot of conspiracies, bro. Gotta be specific as to what you want to talk about. Ah, lekker. I'm also gonna be in Cape Town next month. I think I'm coming down after the 15th. I'll be in Cape Town. I'm gonna come down for Christmas and New Year. Ashlyn your trades in profit seems like it. Yes, I am also in profit. You're losing the challenge. If you're losing the challenge, just take a step back, risk lower. And so Chris gave me this advice: only take 2 trades on your funded challenge per day, and only risk 0.05% per trade. That means you only risk 1% of the account per day. And if you have a risk to reward of 1 to 3, you'll at least make 3% of your account that day if both your trades work out in your favor. I also had a good week. Can't complain. Ruben, Foseek is Afrikaans. Ja, kom van die plaas af. My TP on UJ is 150.9.940.
Guys, I'm gonna be here now.
Okay, someone asked who killed JFK. I can't answer that question. We're gonna get banned if I say whatever I want to say. Jeff, did the USA really land the moon? We can't leave planet Earth. I don't believe we can leave the planet. I believe the world is flat. So I don't think they ever went to the moon. If we really went to the moon, why don't we ever go back? And yeah, just think about it. They used a landline to phone to the moon back in the day. Gotta think about it. And then CCTV cameras can't even capture the face of a criminal. You know, so the tick doesn't make sense to me. Osama, you can't say someone is pushing you and you're losing. No one should put pressure on you and you're trading. And not just that, like, your trading should be done for yourself. Don't trade for other people. Don't allow people to trade your money. If you're trading other people's money, I wouldn't recommend you do that. So don't put pressure on yourself, man. Like, take it one day at a time. You're not in competition with anyone. You're doing this for yourself. You have to think about your own security and your own future. So if you're rushing the process, your journey's gonna rush you, you know. So that will mean that's obviously gonna mean that you forcing trades, you know. So don't do that. Wait for crystal clear setups. The market's not gonna run away. What's NASA doing in South Africa? I don't know. Do you guys know what NASA stands for? Do you know the acronym for NASA is actually not a space agency? Do you also, okay, here's also another thing. Take the word NASA and go to Google Translate and translate NASA to Hebrew and see what it says, what NASA means in Hebrew. Okay, is trading. Maybe start a podcast. I have a lot of places where I post things and talk about things. I used to upload to my YouTube channel, but also my videos were removed and stuff like that. So nah, I'm joking, man. Whether the earth is flat or round, it's livable. We should focus on what's important.
Jeff, please stop. Jeff, what did you do?
I didn't do anything.
I go away for like a few seconds. I come back in the chat. Stop. Jeff has completely lost me. Whole flat. Bro, please don't tell me you think the earth is flat. No, Jeff.
I have to pick their brains, you know. I have to pick your brain. You know, guys, the brain's like a muscle, you know. I'm sure Keegan can relate to this. Like, you know, as Keegan, you know, lifts weights, his muscles get bigger. So, like, the more you read about things, you know, you grow that muscle. Allows you to think about all these things. And, you know, just keeps your mind going. Keep your eyes open.
Guys, okay, hold on. Yes, one. So, we were talking about this the other day. Who believes birds are robots? We were talking about this the other day. Who believes that one? Okay, not even birds, pigeons.
Nah, guys, look here. If you think I'm a conspiracy theorist, Wait till you see what Keegan thinks of birds and pigeons. What did you say, Keegan?
So okay, alright. let's do this one. So I don't believe in this stuff, alright? But this is how the government can always watch you and know about what you're doing, where you're at, get all that information. Because, so we always talk about, you see like power lines. Like if you touch them, like you'll blow up. Like it's crazy. Like people have seen this. Like you can't touch a power line, alright? But yet pigeons sit on them all day because that's where they're charging. That's when they're charging. And then talk about this. So okay, you can mix breed animals, dogs. You can't mix breed birds. Alright? You can't mix. So where did pigeons come from? Alright? Secondly.
But you see,
and all animals, there's animals that stay in every continent, okay? There's an animal like vegan, a lion. Like there's not lions everywhere else. There's bears some places, but not bears everywhere else. There's crocodiles some places, not crocodiles everywhere. But everywhere in the world has got pigeons.
if you think about it, if you really think about it, Keegan has a point there. If you really think about it.
Bro, they're watching from your phone. I shot a lot of 8-1 at Marla, so it's meat.
see, someone asked a very valid question now. Have you ever seen baby pigeons?
Yeah, have you ever seen a baby pigeon? Yeah. Yeah, explains why they keep dumping in my car. FBI is watching. Bears can't fly, bro. I was to say bears can fly. A pigeon flew into my window the other day and it died, so I don't know, geeks. Birds fly, duh. Everywhere in the world there are fish also, so they're also robots. No, but there's different kinds of fish. Not that there's one kind of fish everywhere in the world. What comes first, the egg or the chicken? Ooh. Pigeons are used as messengers in World War One.
Did you guys see the story of the parrot from in America? The parrot went missing for 4 years, and because parrots have a very long lifespan, the parrot went missing for 4 years, and he came back speaking Spanish.
Wait, what?
English parrot went missing for 4 years, and he came back speaking Spanish.
What the hell? Alright guys, EU actually had set our alert off, but it's just running. So EU is going for the Asia highs, but I'm in the GU trade. So obviously EU keeps climbing, GU should go up as well anyway, because that's weaker dollar. So we already are in our trade. We are going to sit this one through. Guys, there's no difference between a falcon and a pigeon. You heard it here first. Oh yeah, that's Chad. Carlos told him, hola, mami. Bro, how can a pigeon learn Spanish and I can't? Bro, I still was like, I think we spoke with this about Chris when Chris was going to do the whole White Zulu. I said, like, for me, I either want to learn Italian or Spanish. And I still also was like, oh, I'll do like these little like online courses. I did like a day. And I'm like, okay, because they test you, and then the next day you got to continue with what like you learned the day before. And I'm like, bro, I can't remember shit. Like, I can't remember. Like, it just comes in 1 year, goes out the other year. It's the same with school stuff, bro. Like, I can't remember that stuff. If I had to go write a test today on what I learned in grade 10, I know nothing. Just hold on. All right, guys. What is this song called? Bro, I don't know. It's on a playlist. Yeah, it's on a playlist. It doesn't tell me what the song's called, bro. So I don't know, my brother. I can't help you with that one. Latin languages go far. Amazing ladies too. As Keen and Benjamin's wife listening from the kitchen, you guys are gonna get along from great. Laugh myself. This is the cuck part I have to deal with all day, every day of my life. Yeah. It's always that old thing. Italian, bro, is such an amazing country and amazing language. Yeah, it's definitely a country I want to go to. Bro, did you see Spanish girls? I myself will learn Spanish to get with some, you know what? If you guys want to know what goes on a boys game chat, this is the kind of cuck we talk about. Literally. Had 4 years of French in school, can only say what my name is in French. Bro, could you play Some Birds of Mine Penna song? Bro, we'll play it a bit later. We're just letting this play out. Maybe if we get a TP, we'll play it. If we get a little TP, yeah, we will play it. Thanks. What is DXY doing though? DXY is going down. DXY going down. Dollar is dropping like a rocket, but GDP is no moving. Yeah, GDP can just take a little while sometimes. Yo guys, if we start breaking this zone here, if we break 388 and we get a closure above there, we'll go break even on our trade on the side, because then it should just start to fly. So literally where we are now, if we keep on from here, we'll go break even on the GU trade.
Yeah, same here my side as well. Once we break structure into we're currently in the Asian range, so once we break structure, I would say on the 15-minute, then we can also start moving our stops towards break even. There's even the conspiracy theory that the Star Wars universe is just an earlier build of the Matrix. Google it. For those of you guys who don't know what predictive programming is, predictive programming is when you basically, for instance, make a movie about the future and you have millions of people watch it, because then you have a lot of people forming an image in their mind. That is called collective consciousness, and that allows us to manifest that into our reality. When you talk about the universe and like builds and multiverses and stuff like that, I'm very against that, because that will obviously, because if you think about it in that sense, it puts God out of the entire equation. If you really think about it in that sense.
USD break Asia highs and retest. Yeah, only thing is, guys, I don't trade USD out of New York session. I just don't like how there's like no volume. 230 viewers, guys, only 82 likes. Can we get those likes up, guys? Let's aim for about 150. Kyle James, Wagwan Demo Traders, my boyki in the house. Wadwagon. Makazi. You know what it is, bro? It's all about these demo profits here. We all about them demo profits. G should be break even now. Yeah, we just want to wait for the closure. We just want to see the closure, but if you want to, you can go break even. I just want to see how the candle closes, but then we can go break even. Yeah, guys, I'm actually going to go break even on the trade just for that little reassurance, but I'm going to go break even. Maybe we jump in the gun here, but yeah, I've gone break even on the trade, guys. Maybe we jump in the gun, but I am break even.
Hello. Yes.
So we are risk free, guys. As I said, maybe we are jumping the gun, but we are break even on the trade. Stop it. Get some help. Yeah, then, my boy.
Look here, if you people
We're
film
doing
me
some-
one
we're
more
doing some
time, man,
naughty things
without
out here.
providing the things that I've asked for, you're gonna make me lose my shit. You understand? How many times must I speak with multiple?
Yeah, Jeff, South Park a family guy too, bro. South Park is where it's at. Sounds exactly like how the world is run. How do we have evidence that say where are you guys going with this chat? Good morning, guys. Any news about MFF, or must we just forget? Bro, I remember someone telling me again that the court case was moved again, but I don't even know when it is. Like I said, I have my live account. I'm just leaving it. If I lose it, I lose it. Whatever. I'm moving on. I'm doing new challenges. So whatever happens there, happens there. Jeff getting quiet. Yeah, the man's dealing with some things there, guys. Yo, Jeff. Jeff not taking no shit on the phone. Yeah, guys, as I said, we maybe jumped the gun here on the break even, but I would rather do that and keep an extra bulletin for later on. Look at possible re-entries. As I always say, I'll rather take a break even if I have to, but I can reanalyze and look at a break even. Is Keegs your what? Is Keegs your full first name? No, my full first name is like Keegan. Just everyone calls me Keegs. Man does not take cuck from Taylor. UJ, how's Jeb's trade running? Also pretty solid there. GU running lacquer there, boykies. Lol, who's making Jeff angry as fuck so early in the morning? Free, you must read the chat.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, chasing Jeff for interviews about flat earth.
Bro, look here, ne? The amount of enemies I have for speaking my truth is insane. But
that's spot on, bro. You know, when we need to fake these lifestyles and fake the demos and the profits, we need these cars, bro. And when they just don't want to get, like, it's our turn, bro. It's our turn to have the pista, and they just don't want to give it to us. GU trade, running lacquer boys. Open the door, FBI. Phone trying to cancel Jevs. You know it, Kyle. The boys can't handle the heat. Good trade, Keegs. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. As always, I always say to guys, I give the credit where it's due, though. I learned how to trade these demo ways from my boy Kyle. He definitely was a big input in my trading. So if you guys need, you guys want any advice and stuff, definitely check him out. His Instagram is there, Kyle James LLC. Go give the boy a follow. Go show him how strong the Peach Nation is. Where is Anton today? Anton can be here, guys, and he will be quiet. That man will be quiet today. He won't say anything. He'll still tell us this is a losing trade somehow. I don't know, but he'll tell us it's a losing trade. Can't be making my mentor upset here, Keegs. I need him to teach me how to make money and not lose money. That one guy, Bullseye, exposing everyone. Yeah, he's been going at it, eh? Who did he expose now? Kyle is a goat. He really is. Kyle is the OG. Much love, my boy. Much, much love. I'm telling you guys, still today, Kyle, I think we're going to do something, bro. We are going to do something together. And we're going to break the internet with it. The guys who believe Earth is round, who is at the bottom? Anton is the first one, yeah, and the last one out for sure. GU flying. Like I said, guys, we are break even on the trade. So at this point, I'm happy to go. Like now, I'm happy to be break even on the trade. The Earth isn't round; it is irregularly shaped.
Yeah.
Ellipsoid. Bro, you can't use those big words, yeah, my man. I went into trading because I couldn't be a doctor. You cannot come and bring these big words.
Just a quick one, guys. On my UJ trade, I'm trading my stop with 5 pips. So currently we're in profit, but stop is only 5 pips.
So you moved your stop down, but it's not break even.
Yeah, not break even. So
okay, so stop's 5 pips now.
Yeah, because we didn't have that break as yet, but I see we are now below that. So once we close that break, then we can adjust it more. So just kind of managing it.
Nah,
you know?
but also a solid trade, Jeff. I think from my side, for me, I mean, you are at Asia highs now. Asia highs are breaking, so Asia lows are untested. So definitely can go all the way to Asia lows. But yeah, I'd say just monitor Asia highs now and see how you guys handle that.
Yeah, be cool to see it flush.
100% broski. Same thing with the GU trade, guys. We can monitor that as our first TP, but also Asia highs untested. Could go all the way for Asia highs. We'll see if we take these highs out of here. But trade is looking good. The Earth is square. Mad charts and Q, bro. So I know he's been going at mad charts, and I know he's been going at Q. And guys, my thing is, I always tell you guys, I've been a Q fan. I love the man. But some of us, we actually were having a conversation with the guy. Like, he actually replied, and we'll have a conversation, and the man was just playing dumb with everything. I'm just saying, bro, if you're so big in business, you're so in all these things, you can't tell me you were dumb to all these things that Mad Charts was doing. That's my only thing. Like, he was just playing dumb. Like, oh, bro, I didn't know about that. Like, oh, no ways. Like, never. And, like, we got the screenshots for it. And, yeah, I was a little bit disheartened by it. But at the end of the day, I'm not saying Q isn't a good trader. I'm not saying he isn't who he says he is. But, yeah, it was a bit disheartening, bro. But, guys, we are going to be hitting TP very, very soon on GU. Can we get a little TP here in the chat? Come on, guys. Bring the peaches in the chat. Let's bring the volume. Let's get a nice little TP here to start us off this morning. Come on, boys. I can feel it. I can feel it. We can feel it cooking here. He has to come on the podcast. We definitely can take it to Asia highs, but I'm just going for a 1-to-1, guys. But we definitely could do Asia highs. Definitely could aim for Asia highs. Maybe we hold the trade, guys. We'll just watch for this rejection area over here. We'll start seeing. I'm going to mark it out for us. If we start breaking this, we are going to fly. But if we start getting a little bit of rejection, I'll close the trade out. But we will just see how it runs from here, guys. Mario and Luigi. The peaches. Much love, guys. All from Nonu. When did you guys take? Oh, we're going to peaches for keys. Bro, you found the guy whose pissed it is and exposed him. Bro, yeah, we were on with that. We were part of that. So we kind of followed a bit more about it. So yeah, we knew the pista and the Lambo isn't his. They're both not his. It's the same guy the car was rented from. And he can't hide it. We have got voice notes of him booking the car. I feel like this is your gym playlist, Keegs. Bro, unfortunately it isn't, eh? My gym playlist is like that hardcore stuff. Like, I get angry when I'm in the gym. So I decided not to trade land today. Gonna smash it with a stupid idea before anyone else does. Secure 60 minute and let 40% run with break even stop loss. This long is lit. From Jev is a waterfall. UJ. Come on, guys. You are in 2 banging trades today, guys. 2 banging trades. We told you there's the TP on G, but we're going to let it run, guys. We're going to let it run. Can we get some W's in the chat? Come on, guys. Let's bring the vibes. Let's bring the energy. I told you we are getting some bangers this morning. We told you we're getting some bangers this morning, Chad.
Okay, guys. UJ has now broken that low, going to break even, and also securing some partials.
So Jev's also going G, you guys. So I mean, he's break even. So you have got 2 trades running break even. Let's see how we do with Asia highs. If we break through, I'll still let the trade run. Otherwise, we will close it out, guys. But that is TP1. So if you guys are happy, close it out there. Let's like the stream, guys. Come on, please drop a like if you haven't, guys. That's all we ask for from you guys. So we'll still give this some time to breathe. What is DXY doing? DXY isn't even at Asia lows yet, so still can drop a bit more. Let's give the trade a little bit of breathing room. Let's see what happens, guys. Like I said, we'll see if we get some rejection here. But if it breaks, this thing's running to Asia highs. Just make sure you don't post the profits, bro. 100%. Otherwise, the guys come for you and they just say it's demo, bro. You got to just be quiet about it that way. Do it nice and silently. Absolutely great trade, Keeks. Really appreciate it, guys. Much love to all of you guys here. We do this for you guys. You guys back me. You guys give me the energy to come out here every single day and do this. I closed my G trade. I hit my target. Thanks, Keeks. But this is all for you guys. You guys are eating with us today. Keegan and Jev on fire. Peaches, best broker you guys use. Let's talk off stream, guys. Depends, bro. But we do prop firms. I think Jev trades personally, but yeah.
Yeah,
guys
I'm
will always
personal.
hate whether you win or lose. Let's go, Chad. I moved my stop loss, but got tapped out with a nice profit. Beautiful setup, Jev. Both trades running beautifully. Bro, this trade is all down to the music. Music brought the TP. Anton. Where's our boy Anton, guys? Let's see those likes at 200 before the bangers we got today. Come on, guys. Can we get those 200? Maybe we'll even do a nice giveaway tomorrow then for you guys. Don't worry, I promise you we'll get Chris to do a giveaway. So if we can get it to 200 today, guys, just for the vibes, for the chat, for the family, we get to 200. Maybe we can do a nice giveaway tomorrow for you guys. Trust me, Anton is young, man. I can feel him. Imagine Anton winning the giveaway, bro. I promise you we will reroll. We will reroll.
Yeah, no, definitely, guys. There's almost 300 people watching here. We only have 130 likes. Can we at least get to 200? We would really, really appreciate that. Maybe we see one more setup even.
Guys, really like showing some love. Really appreciate all you guys. Again, you guys make us doing it. You guys make it all worth it at the end of the day. There we go. Still no bearish momentum at all, guys. So we are still going to hold this trade. I'm still in it. Don't you worry. We are still in this trade, guys. We are still in this trade.
Daniel says, I always like to stream from two YouTube accounts. I don't know how people take your trades and don't just like how to stream. You know, I don't want to sound deep again, but like basically, you know, if you treat someone bad, you know, money can't change. Like if you treat someone bad, you can't just give them money and they'll feel better. Same thing, like if you guys come to us and tell us like, yo guys, you've helped us, thank you so much, and so forth. We don't charge you we don't charge you, but that feeling that we also get, that emotion that cannot be bought, that priceless feeling, it motivates us to do even more for you guys. We become more inspired, more motivated. So like literally, like, you know, can't buy that feeling.
Yo, I hope you guys are feeling the vibes today, guys. We are taking this next level. I told you guys, we are bringing the New York vibes to the opening bell today. We are bringing the vibes today, guys. We're still monitoring the trades, guys. UJ still holding Asia highs, but can break through. It's making a nice resistance to break through over there. And GU is just bullish, guys. There's literally no reason for us to close this trade yet. Keegs, we had a deal about a song. Oh, yeah, bro, we did. What we're gonna do, send me, or flip, because I need to go find it again, bro. Just send me the name again, because it's going to be very high up in the chat. So just send me the name again quickly, okay? Keys, we had a deal. Yeah. The music pumped you up, bro. 100%. It definitely did. Birds of a Mind. Birds of a Mind. Let's see, bro, if you chose a good song here for TP. Let's see if you chose a goodie. Let's see if you chose a goodie. This trade's going to fly. Wait, is this not New York session? We have 2 W's in a London session. What the heck? People rather pay money for signals. Just eat the live stream for free. Signals and proper analysis. Come on. You'll think you'll like it. Only house music from now on. I'm in this GU trade. W82. There we go, guys. SA cacking off in the semis. Oh, bro. Don't bring those negative vibes here, bro. We don't want to know about that. We're just going to pretend it's not happening. The boys will bring it back. Look at this trade go, guys. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Let's turn it up, guys. Come on. We cooking in here today. The UJ flying as well. We got 2 trades running here, guys. No bottom wick on the last 5. It's okay. That was the open of the 15, so that's beautiful. Where's Anton? Anton's hiding today. UJ, I think you guys are holding. Definitely at least the Asia lows. And
Yeah,
GU,
definitely.
we also holding to Asia highs.
UJ.
The dollar trying to fight back, but I don't think it will do much. There's still no reason for us to even close this trade up. We've got literally no bearish momentum anywhere on this trade yet. Nah, it was a banger, bro. It was a banger. Where were we on this? Where were we on this post? Might be a stupid question, Chad. Do you guys know if we get copyrighted off SoundCloud? How's the song? Nah, bro, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Like, I could definitely picture myself sitting like a roof deck, vibing out, listening to that. Like, it's a vibe, bro. Keep the stop loss at break even. Yeah, I keep it there, but you can monitor. At this point, you even actually could go to the first TP. It could be your stop loss that was there under Asia high, well, this break, yeah. So that first TP we had over here somewhere, you could even go that. Where was your 1%? But again, guys, literally no reason for us to go bearish yet. Like, this trade still just, look at that. Look at the size of these candles. There's no reason for us to cut this trade yet. Gold broke resistance. Yeah, guys, I don't take multiple trades. We in a bang of a trade. Yeah, no reason to take something else for now. Keeks, do you know how the copyright works for live streams? Not really, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I literally just messaged Mo this morning and I said to him, like, bro, I'm giving you a heads up. We're getting copyrighted today. You got to do some work after stream. So after the stream might be boring. There's gonna be moments where there's no sound. But I said, for the guys that were here, that pitched up, that came for the stream, we're going to have a vibe. We're going to jewel today. We're going to make money today. And I came and we did that exactly. So I'm happy with that.
So on UJ, I'm going to secure some more partials. And let the rest run. I'll be right back. I need to phone Michaela quickly.
Oh, like if this candle now closes like this, guys, then I will just close out on this trade. So we'll just see how the trade this handles, but then I will just close out on it. But again, it looks like it's pushing back up. I closed at that EMA touch. That's the thing, the EMA is going to give that little bit of rejection, but if it doesn't push it down, like, it's just going to go back up. So it's just that initial little spark down. But that's why, again, we waited on candle closures. I closed at the EMA touch. Great trade. But again, thanks, bro. Really, really appreciate it. But really, guys, if you guys are taking these trades with us, please, if you guys don't mind, post your trades. Don't even post the profits. Post the trade setup on like MetaTrader stuff. Tag myself, tag Jevid, tag Chris. We will share them, reshare it for you guys. Like, we want to see you guys making money with us. We want to show people, like, come join us, come do this with us. We have fun. We have a vibe. We want to make this one of the best places for you guys. So literally, that's why I say, guys, just if you guys don't mind, please share it. Let's repost it. Let's grow the Peach family. Trade can fly if it holds the round number. Yeah, bro, as long as we stay above that 24, we are solid. That's why I said this also can just be like a little push down off the EMA, but can be turning again. I mean, there we go. This is the first time I'm taking a GU trade this whole year. Just checked my journal. Bro, that's crazy. But I'm glad it could be a banger, bro. Not one of the best places. This is the best place. Really, really appreciate all the kind words, guys. Really appreciate every one of you. And as we said before, guys, trust me as well. You guys aren't just a number. You aren't even just a name. We remember the names. I see all you guys that are always chatting here. You guys are the regulars. You guys are here every day, day in, day out. And we really do notice that and appreciate the constant support from our side. So definitely much, much love to all of you guys. As I always say, you guys make this worth it for us. Yeah, Messiah. Now we'll definitely also check out some of your music, bro. Is some of your stuff on YouTube though, or must I get it on like SoundCloud and stuff? Just let me know, bro. Where is Asia Highs? Yo. Literally, trade still going, guys. Still going. DXY breaking the Asia lows. That's what we want to see. UJ trade. Come on, guys. Come on. Put some peaches in the chat there for Jeff, guys. These have been 2 banger trades for you guys today. Keys, do you have your Discord open? I do, but it's on the call. Like, I can't do anything on my Discord now, bro. Best trading live stream on YouTube. WW, will you remember me when you become famous? Of course we will. Of course we will. I'm on every platform, bro. No, we'll definitely check you out, my man. We will definitely check you out, bro. 100% car culture. UJ is amazing. Whatever you want to find me on, I'm lurking somewhere. Nah, you guys will always be the OGs. I always say to people, when you guys show that support, trust me, when the times come, when the big things happen, even the guys that really were the true ones, the real ones, you guys are the ones that are going to get some benefits. I promise you that. I promise you, you are the ones that will get benefits when those times come, when changes come, when we really get big time. You guys are the ones that get the benefits, the ones that were with us from day one. Fiend. Oh, guys, are we gonna play Fiend? Are we playing Fiend, guys?
Residents of South Africa know.
There we go, Chad. Winner, chicken dinner. Two amazing trades, guys. Come on, we'll do this for you guys.
The career is more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some.
Come on, guys, look at that, look at that. What other stream is doing this, guys? No one's gonna touch us. We are 14% up on the week. We're gonna be sitting just under 20% up at the end of this day, guys. Killer week.
Yeah, it was a very good day. Very good day. Nice way to start off. One shot, one kill.
Yeah, guys, we are just gonna keep going. Nothing is gonna stop us, guys. 3 more sessions left. The goats. Can you move GU trade to the right a bit? There we go. Is that better?
So
Oh, there you guys go. Yeah.
So
there you
also,
go.
guys, from my side, I'm actually gonna trail my stop loss on almost said GBP USD on USD yen. I'm gonna pull it about 5 flips into profit. My stop loss.
I got this whole me, she tryna show me something. I got flows for days, niggas ain't on nothing. Me and my bro like me, you know we on one. We in the spot going crazy until the sun up. You worried about that hoe done chose up. Pistol solid in the kitchen, can't get the cold up. What the fuck, these niggas acting like they know it. Double O kick this shit we told us. Switch out the bed, these niggas get rolled up. Everything hit, everything,
Alright, guys, I'm going to close the GU trade though. That is literally, I've closed it out basically over there. I'm happy with that. That was 2% up on that trade. So I'm going to take it. Alright, guys. So that's me. I'm out on GU. I'm just happy with it. It can still run to Asia highs, but again, I'm just happy that's another 2% trade. It's actually like a 2.5. I will take that. I'm not going to be greedy, guys. We're just going to keep this flipping momentum going. So that is a banger one for me, guys. So we're just going to be monitoring UJ now. But we're going to keep this going, guys. I'm loving the energy. I'm loving the Billy.